G'day gang, how's it going? Trev here from Trev's Life, and on today's video I'm going to be doing a review on the 4D Shaner 5-in-1 Grooming Kit. Now that's a lot of words, but what it means is it's a rechargeable electric shaver for us baldy blokes, so we can get a nice little baby's bum smooth finish on our head. Well, hopefully that's what we're planning. That's what the plan is anyway. Let's give it a crack. All right, roll the intro. Rightio gang, here she is all unboxed. I have used it once, so I can do an honest review, and I'm going to use it in front of you guys. So yeah, I wasn't going to stick it all back in the box because I didn't know how. Alright, so first of all you got your sideburn trimmer here, which comes with 3 different length combs. I think there's a 3mm, a 5mm and a 7mm cutter. Then you've got the head shaver, which is, see how it's rounded, so it shaves your head nice and easy. And then over here we've got 2 brushes, one rubber brush, which is, I think you wet your face, put a bit of soap on there, and then it vibrates on your face to soften your bristles. And then that one there is a facial cleaner. And then over here you got your nose trimmer, which can be used for an ear trimmer as well. And here is the machine itself. Dun dun dun. 4D Shaner. Why is it called S-H-A-N-E-R, Shaner, instead of shaver? I do not know. I don't know. But all I know is it cost me $29 Australian, which is just under $21 American, which is not a lot of money. So anyway, let's not muck around. Let's get stuck in and give it a go and see how good she is. Rightio gang, straight up out of the box, you pull this doohickey out and they give you a USB charger with no plug, but that's alright because everyone's got plugs laying around the house. Pop him in there, charge him up. It says charge it for 5 hours and you'll get a 45-minute runtime, which is cool. Rightio, first attachment I'm going to try is the nasal trimmer. So all you do, plug him in there, push him in, turn him on, and you're away. I'm not going to show you me cleaning my nose because that's pretty gross, but it does your ears as well. And I've done my nose with this and it works really well. 10 out of 10. Right, next one. Rightio, next one is the face scrubber, which softens your bristles on your face for when you're shaving. So you just get this gizmo here, put that on there, pop it in, and then for starters you can use this attachment which clicks on there. Come on, get on there. You put him on there, it's got rubber bristles, turn it on and it spins, and that, put some soapy water on here, and that's supposed to soften your bristles. I can't see me using that, but anyway, it's there. I'm telling you all about it. It's truth. Right, now the next one is the facial scrubber. Same thing, pop it on there, turn it on. If you want to exfoliate or whatever you're doing, I'm not going to use that one either. Anyway, right, the third one that we've got is the clippers, which, hang on, pull that off. This is your clippers. Pop it on there like so. Turn it on. You can hear it running. Now, I've tried it. It works. It works. If you want to shave your nether regions, it doesn't catch. You know, you're not going to nick any private areas. but let's just give it a test on my arm. Ready? So there we go. Takes the hair off. Yeah, if you want to give your nether regions a bit of a clean up, go for it. Okay, now the main one that I bought it for is the skull shaver. This little bad boy here. So all you do is takes a bit of lining up. Come on, mate, line up. Booyah! Right, so there we have it, the main event. This is what everyone's buying this machine for. So now you can shave. Apparently it says you can shave with a wet head or dry. Now like I say, I've done this once before and it works bloody well. I mean, really well. I've never shaved my head before. I've always just hit it with the clippers, which means it always stays, like, you have stubble, which is like 2 mil long or something. But when I use this thing, my goodness, it takes a little while, a little bit of mucking around. But it gives you, dead set, gives you a really nice, smooth finish. Now, I'm not going to make you watch me shave my head, but I'll get back to you in a sec when I've finished, and I'll tell you all about it. Rightio, gang, it's about 2-3 minutes later. I've done one side. So, before shave, you can see the stubble. That's about, I don't know, 5 days growth. And on this side, smooth as a baby's bum. I am well impressed with this gadget. For $29 Australian or under $21 American, delivered to your house off eBay. I don't know, maybe you guys use Amazon or whatever, but I got mine off eBay. 29 bucks. Man, this thing is amazing. So let's say it took me, for a really good job, 3 minutes on that side. So once I turn off, I'll do another 3 minutes on this side. 6 minutes. It's got a 45-minute run time after a 5-hour charge. So 6 8s are 48. Maybe you're going to get 5 shaves out of this, I reckon, for one charge, which is pretty cool. Now, if you let your hair grow a little too long, I wouldn't muck around with this little doohickey attachment to get my head short enough to shave. I would just bust out these traditional clippers, run them over your head in 30 seconds, and then finish off with this bad boy. So yeah, in closing, this thing's bloody awesome. 29 bucks. I've seen ads on the internet for men's shavers and grooming stuff that, you know, over 200 bucks. So look at that. I'm going to be a cheapskate and use the 4D Shayna 5-in-1 grooming kit. For me, 10 out of 10? 9 out. Let's go 9 out of 10. It's pretty bloody good. Alright, gang. That's the video review. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get a good run out of yours if you decide to buy one. And hey, do us a favor. I checked on analytics the other day, and 98% of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed. 98%. So if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, and the next video I'm going to tell you is all about the monetization process that I've gone through, and I'm going to tell you exactly how much I earned in my first month monetized. Alright, gang, catch us on the next one. See ya.